childrens, how are you all? I hope all are you fine. As in previous videos, we have finished till exercise 1E. 1E was completed, but today in part 5 we are going to start. This is part 5 videos and starting exercise number 1F. Okay, so let's start exercise 1F. See here is given exercise 1F, as you can see on the screen also. Okay, so first question of exercise 1F, what is given? Make 3-digit numbers using the given digits. Means by using these digits we have to make 3 digits number. Okay, first question already done here, so we start question number second B part, and how to do we will see here. Let's see here. Here 3 digits are given 936. Remember always, you can simply find this. When you are creating numbers, don't put commas between the digits, and when you are creating number also, no number should be repeated. Okay, one time only should be written there. So here we will start by 9 only. If you want to do easily, just see here 9 is given, so we can start with 9 only. Simply write here, we will start with 9. 2 digits are left in 3, 6. First number is created 936. Now after again we create by 9 only. Okay, because we can change the place of at ones and tens. So 6 comes at tens place, 3 comes at ones place. Other number is created here. You can see it is coming 963 and this is coming 936. Now we start by 3. You can start with 3 also. Okay, and 2 number what are left in? As 3, 9 and 6. Here also created one number. What is coming? 396. Now next number also start with 3. Okay, because we can change here the at tens and ones place. Here is come at tens place 6 and ones place as 9. Next number what is created here? 369. So here we have created 4 number and 2 more number are left in here. Here see, we have start with 9 also, 2 number with 3 also. Now next is 6. So you can start with 3 here, 6 also, sorry, by 6. Write here 6. Here 6 and left in 2 digit what are? 9 and 3. Here also created one number 693, and you can see here also no number is repeated here. And again create by 6 and change the place of digit here. 3 at tens place and 9 at ones place. So simply and clearly you can see here no number is repeated here. Here is coming 936, here is coming 963, here is coming 396, here is 369, next 693, and this one is 639. All number are separated. Okay, similarly we will do second part also. What I told you, start with which one? By first number. Okay, here is given first number, sorry, first digit is given 1 only. So write here 1. Okay, 2 digit what are lefting? 7, 5. And don't put commas. So here you can see here one number is created. What is 175? Again start with 1 only and change the digit place. 5 at tens place, 7 ones place. Second number what is created? 157. Now start with 7. Okay, so write here 7. Second digit here is given as 7 and 2 digit what are left? 5 and 1. So write here 5 and 1. Okay, so next number what is coming? 751. And one more number created by 7 because we can change the place tens and ones. 1 coming at tens place, 5 coming ones place. Next number what is created? 715. Okay, so 2 number created by starting 1 and by 7 also. What is left? 5. So we can 2 number created. Here we can create by 5 also. Okay, write here 5. And 2 number are left? 7 and 1. Clear? So here what is coming next number? 571. Similarly, next number create by 5 only. Okay, and change the ones and tens place digit. Here 1 at tens place and 7 at ones place. So here clearly you can see all number are different. 175, 157, 751, 715, 571 and 517. All are different number and no number is repeated here. Okay. Next, third part is here 4, 9, 8. So simply start with 4 only. Okay. By start 4. Write here 4. Next number, next 2 digit what is left? 9 and 8. Okay. Again start with 4 only and change the ones and tens digit. 8 at tens place and 9 at ones place. 2 digit are created. Next start with 9. Okay. 9 and 2 digit what are left as this? 4 and 8. Okay. Again start with 9 and at tens place 8, ones place is 4. Next number also different create. Next start 2 number with 9 and 2 number with 4. Now start with 8. Write here 8. Okay. And 2 digit what are left? 4 and 9. And next number 8. Change the ones and tens place. 9 at tens place. 4 at ones place. Okay. So here you can see all number are different or not. Okay. So see here what number are created here? 498, 489, 948, 984, 849 and 894. All number are different. Okay. Similarly, do this part also. Okay. 642. So start with 6 only. Simply start. Start with 6. 6, 2 digit, 4, 2 lefting. Next 6. Change the place. 2, 4. Okay. 2 number created. Next start with 4. 4, 2 digit, 6 and 2 lefting. Next again start with 2 and change the place. 2, 6. Next number also created. It is 4. There are coming 4 numbers. Now next start with, we have created by 6 also, by 4 also 2 number. Now lefting with 2 also. So create by 2. Write here 2 and 2 digit are lefting 6 and 4. and next number change the place 2, 4, 6. Okay, so here this part also done, and you can check also after doing the question. You also check here no number is matching. Okay, all should be different. It is coming 642, 624, both are different. 462, okay, and here 426, both are different. 264 and 246, all are different number here, you can see. Okay, so similarly you can do other part also, as I have done here 4 part, and other remaining part of question number first you will do by yourself at home. Okay, I will give you these question as homework. Then after that we will see next question. See this. Here see, next question is given. Make 3-digit numbers and fill in. Here also 3 digits are given, and make number also by using digits. As it is given here, digit given, this one side means left side, and here make smallest number, and this one side right side you will make greatest number. Okay, and how to make I will tell you. Just see here. Okay, let's do this. How to create the smallest number and greatest number by using digit. Let's see. Here is given 806. Okay, so smallest number starting always which one? Smaller to bigger number, as you do in ascending or descending order. Here also we will do like ascending or descending order. When we are making smallest number, then start with smaller to bigger number, and when we are making greatest number, then start with greater to smaller number. It is simply smaller number to bigger number, that is smallest number, and bigger number to smaller number, that is greatest number. Clear? And one more thing, remember always where 0 is given, and when you are creating smallest number, then always 0 write in second number. Got it? And when you are creating greatest number, then 0 always write in last. Okay, yeah, in greater number when we are making 0 will be lasting only, because 0 is the smallest number. But when we are making smallest number, always remember it, 0 we will write in second place. Okay, as here is given 806. Clear? We know very well 0 is the smallest number, but here 0 is written at second number. I told you, when you are creating smallest number, then write 0 in second place. So here smallest number after 6 is given, 6, then 0, and lasting is 8. Okay, smaller number to bigger number. So number required word will be 608. Then after greater number, when we are creating greater to smaller number, what is the greatest number in this? 8. Here is 8. Then after 0 and 6, what is the greater number? 6. So here is 6, and last number left is 0. So number is created here 860. Okay, similarly we will do this. How to do? Smallest number we are creating, so start with smallest number. What is 1? 1 after in 5 and 7, 5 is smaller. Then last what is left in 7. So required number word will be 157. And greatest number opposite of just this. Okay, means greater to smaller number. What is the greater number? 7, and 5 and 1, 5 is greater. Then what is left last? 1. Two number I created here. 157 smallest number, 751 greatest number. Next, smallest number what is? 2, then after 5, then 6. Okay, smaller to bigger number, it is created smallest number, and just opposite of this 652, we can write like this also, 652. Okay, order is coming greater to smaller number, 652, it is a greatest number by using these digits. Okay, again next is 924. Smaller number is 2, then after in 4 and 9, which is the smaller number? 4, and last is left 9. Clear? So what is coming required number? 249, and just opposite of this 942, it is opposite na 942. Okay, otherwise we can check like this as a greater number. How to create? Greater to smaller number. Greater number is 9, then after 4, then last is left 2. Created? Similarly we will do next part also. Okay, just see here what is given. Here is given 540. These two part also we will do. Okay, so let's do this. 540, which is the smallest number? We know very well 0 is the smallest number, but 0 we will write at second place. So let this, what is the smallest number between this? 4, and write 0 at second place. And what is left now here? 5. Created number, what is? 405. Then after we are creating greater number. Which is the greatest number? 5. 5 after in 4 and 0, 4, and last is left 0. It is bigger to smaller number. What is coming required number? 540. Next 630, 6, 3, 9. Creating smaller number, which is smaller number 3, and in 6 and 9, which is the smaller? 6. Then last 9 is left. Okay, here is created smallest number. Okay, here is not 0, so we can write directly just opposite of this number, right to left. 9, 6, then 3. It is just opposite of a smaller number. It is coming here, you can see 963. Order is going here, bigger to smaller number, coming 963. Next 0, here is given 0, so remember here 0 we will write at second place. So firstly smaller number what is in this? 8, and 0 at second place. Then what is left? 9. And now we will create greater number. Here we cannot write directly at from right to left because 0 is given here. Okay, so we will start from greater. Which is the greatest number here? Is 9. 9 after 8. 8 after what is left? 0. So required answer what is coming? 980. And smaller number, smallest number 809. Is that clear? So students, till for today this is only enough, and I am giving you some homework also. You can note down here. I think till here only your exercise 1F is over, but some more question are given here, as you can see in this. Here see, this is given digit smaller greatest number. These are left in part, so these question will be your homework. Okay, by using digit you will make smallest and greatest number. So this is your homework, and do practice also these question properly and this exercise also. I will give you this question number 1 and 2 remaining part for homework. Okay, So till for today, this is enough from me and for you also. And in next video, means in tomorrow, we will start chapter number 2. That will be 4-digit number. Okay. So now thank you students. Have a nice day.